There's a revolution happening in the world of healthcare. The convergence of electronic health records data with new data science techniques has created a landmark opportunity. We can now understand disease biology and advance the practice of medicine like never before.
We integrate electronic health records data from the entire University of California system, and then we apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to answer our partners' complex questions. We identify important clinical questions inspired by real-world practice and produce interpretable and reproducible answers using data science. We work with every client, customizing to their needs around timing and budgeting. Reliable answers are always the end of the story.
During the initial wave of pandemic, we generated rapid real-world evidence related to COVID-19 infection, such as hospitalization, ICU requirements, mortality, and treatments to inform U.S. Food and Drug Administration and California Department of Public Health almost on a daily basis.
We work with policymakers and healthcare systems to improve interoperability, ensuring teams use available data and that it can be transferred from one healthcare provider to the next so that they have the full perspective on their patient's health.
Our academic heritage makes us set and meet high standards for our data, our tools, and our teams. Our teams are made up of the world's leading clinical experts and data scientists.
We develop tools to visualize and analyze genomic data linked to clinical phenotypes. We've established a visualization tool that links genomic and clinical phenotype data for over 10,000 cancer cases at UCSF.
My research lab focuses on developing, implementing, and evaluating the use of computational tools for providing patients with personalized precision treatments. As a clinician, I'm acutely aware of the reliance we place on physicians entering data consistently and how those variations can muddy our results. It is important that we understand this well in order to train our models. Real-world evidence is an exciting space because we're able to supplement information that we have from clinical trials and then use this data to investigate totally new arenas.
Making reliable inferences from the unruly world of observational real-world data isn't easy. To have any hope of getting the right answer, we need expertise across different domains: epidemiology and study design, biostatistics and causal inference, clinical informatics, machine learning, natural language processing, scientific computing, and the clinical domain. When the research needs exist, but the tools do not, we roll up our sleeves, write code, and open source our software.
At the Center for Real-World Evidence, we're leading the way.